Hello my friends, in today's video we are going to learn about me, myself and I. Where should we use me, myself and I, these three words? For this, first we will go with the poem. First I will sing this one poem. Listen it carefully. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Are you getting? Listen it again. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. In this poem, the girl is saying, me, myself and I. These three persons went to the kitchen and ate a pie. The girl used all these three words for herself. And what happens when she ate a pie? Her mother came in the kitchen and she chased them out with a rolling pin. The mother chased her girl with a rolling pin. A girl means these three words. Let's see. When should we use me, myself and I? We can't use all three together. These three words we have to use for ourselves. But while writing and while speaking, they are not supposed to be together. There are particular places we should use these words. Let's see the examples. In the first example, I called you. In this, I is at the start of the sentence. The second one is, he called me. Me is there at the end of the sentence. And the third one is, I made myself ill by eating more chocolates. Okay, here we are using myself to emphasize me, to focus the person who is talking. And the fourth one sentence, in that there is a me in the middle of the sentence. But in that sentence there is a list. There is a list of persons. That Sham, Rahul and me went to the picnic. Okay, so from these four sentences we came to know that it means we are going to see the rules for using me, myself and I always comes at the start of the sentence. I always comes at the start of the sentence. The second one is me. Me never comes at the start of the sentence. If you have to talk about yourself and you have to keep it at the start, then you have to say I. If you don't want to keep you at the start of the sentence, keep them in the middle, then you have to use me. Like example I have gave you, he called me. अगर आपको सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में आपको रखना है, खुद के बारे में बोलना है, then use I called you. The third one is myself. Myself we use to emphasize. किसी जो बोल रहा है उसको फोकस में रखने के लिए. जैसे कि I made myself ill. I did finish this work myself. मैंने ये काम खुद ने किया है. मैंने ये काम किया है. इसमें क्या होता है? It might be you have taken the help of others, or it might be done it by yourself. The two options are there. But when you'll say, I have done this work myself, then it says that you have done this without taking anyone's help. So, myself we uses to emphasize the person who is talking. And in the list, like given in the last sentence, Sham, Rahul and me, we don't use I and myself. जब भी पर्सन की लिस्ट होती है, नामों की लिस्ट होती है, तब उसमें जब आपको खुद को ऐड करना होता है, दैट टाइम आई एंड माई सेल्फ को यूज नहीं करते, वहां पे यूज करते हैं मी को. Myself and I never comes in the list. So these are some rules while writing the sentences and while talking are helpful to all of you. And here we have done me, myself and I. Hope you have understood how to use me, myself and I with the given poem too. So like the video, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friend so your friend also will understand use of these three words. Again we will meet with one more interesting video. Till bye.